Move out of the way.
Are you washing up your shoes? Are you washing up your shoes?
Yep.
That last one there. Oh, you're gonna do it! Oh, man! Go ahead! Do it!
Do you want your glasses?
Oh, you probably should take. Do it, girl, for us non-swimmers. Go on. Just jump. Just jump. You're on vacation.
He'll get you.
Go ahead. Woo! Okay. Woo! Yay! All right. Okay.
All right. Good job.
That was amazing.
Now that's what I call being a thrill seeker.
Yes, that was amazing. Oh man,
I can see this pool party's gonna go on for hours. I better start being captain again. Move the vessel or something. Good job.
Sorry. Sorry guys, this stuff got all wet. It's gonna kill me. Ah, you wet up my camera.
Oh, we scoot over.
Okay guys, that was the last time. If you're on the roof, come back.
Goodbye.
Well, you want to make sure we got everybody pulled around.
You got what?
Yeah, a little bit. Those last splashes, but they're still working.